Attention North Huron, Wingham Fire. Please respond for a general fire alarm at 187 Victoria Street West. It's 187 Victoria Street West at Riverside Apartments for a general fire alarm. Attention North Huron, Wingham Fire. Please respond for a general fire alarm at 187 Victoria Street West at Riverside Apartments. That's 187 Victoria Street West, Riverside Apartments for a general fire alarm. Just an update to that. Alarm company has spoke with the key holder Jonathan on scene advising of a false alarm, unknown cause.
Fire dispatch, car 3.
Car 3, go ahead.
Car 3 acknowledges the page and then the cancellation page as well for Wingham Station. An officer from the Wingham Station will be investigating.
Roger that, copy. A unit will still attend to investigate. It's 93635.
Wingham Station, car 3. Go ahead, car 3, Wingham Station. Wingham Station, just do a code 1 response and investigate that, please. Yeah, copy that. Fire dispatch, engine 1.
Engine 1, go ahead.
You show engine 1 responding to general fire alarm 2 belted.
I copy that engine 1 is responding with 2 belted at 94149.
Fire dispatch, you can show car 3 responding in personal vehicle.
I copy car 3 responding in personal vehicle at 94208.
Fire dispatch, North Huron, engine 1.
Engine 1, go ahead.
Engine 1 on scene, car 2. 32 will be command will be mobile. Nothing showing at this time. We'll be investigating.
Roger that.
Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead.
You can show we have a basement smoke detector alarm activated. Entering through 2.
Roger, copy a basement smoke detector activated. We'll be investigating.
Fire dispatch, you can show car 3 arriving on scene. Command, car 3. Go ahead, car 3, command. What's your location, command? Basement to the north, most end of the kitchen. Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead.
We have met with the property builder, found a faulty detector, panel's been reset. Completed a air quality check, 0 readings. All crews have exited, terminating command at this time, and engine 1 returning.
Roger, I copy that you've met with property builder. You've found a faulty detector. It's been replaced. Command's been terminated and returning.
Fire dispatch, you can show car 3 clearing scene as well.
Roger that, car 3, I copy your clearing scene. That's 1008.